This is a video showing the Amazon voice assistant plugin that I've created for Emby Media Server, and this is going to be a terrible video because I am not prepared to make it. I don't have any of the equipment to do it, but I thought I'd show off some of the configuration settings and whatnot and how to set it up. So up here is the voice assistant tile in the for the plugin. You would click on this, and the first thing at the top you see is the interaction model dialog. You click on that and it opens up the interaction model. You can press copy, and then you would come over to your custom skill page, and under interaction model, down here is the JSON editor. Click on the JSON editor, and here you would take all of the information that is in this text area, and you would select it all and paste in what was taken from the plugin. Then you would click save and build your model. We'll head back over here. So personalization, what this does is it takes your personalization ID for your custom skill and it attaches it to an Emby user profile. So for instance, this won't work because I have my person IDs and username right now attached together, but you would click on this and you would say, Alexa, ask home theater to learn my voice.
This profile is already linked to Benjamin's account.
So at that point, the person ID would show up in this text area, and then you would choose from the different Emby users and click save, and that will link the profile. And from that moment forward, it will have those two profiles linked. So the voice assistant can know which account it should be using when accessing media from the server. Down here we have parental controls based on that person ID. So if, for instance, you have an account for a child in your home that's not allowed to see PG-13 movies, then, and they have a person ID, or it's been linked through the Amazon account through personalization, then the voice assistant will not show that media from their account because of the parental controls. Down here we have rooms. So what we're doing here is we're creating rooms with their corresponding Emby device. So if you have a Fire TV stick or a Roku and whatnot, you can add that into a room. And it makes things a little more fluent when you're requesting media. So for instance, we click rooms, and here we're going to set up a new room. So we would say, Alexa, ask home theater to set up a new room.
Welcome to room setup. In order to best understand the room you request, please say the name of the room you wish to set up.
Bedroom.
Thank you. Please see the plugin configuration to choose the Emby device that is in the bedroom, and press the Create Room button.
So what happened there was once I said bedroom, it filled out the text box for me with exactly how the assistant's going to recognize that word when it's requested. And here I have a list of all the devices that have ever logged into Emby, and I can have those two items come together, and I would just press create room, and sorry, and that room would be created. So we can try that one more time. So we'll create a room here, and we'll say, Alexa, ask home theater to set up a new room.
Welcome to room setup. In order to best understand the room you request, please say the name of the room you wish to set up.
Family room.
Thank you. Please see the plugin configuration to choose the Emby device that is in the family room, and press the Create Room button.
So pretty much self-explanatory there. Family room showed up here, and I have my Fire TV stick correlated and whatnot. So if we were going to test some of this stuff out, not only can we control things like the Echo Show, but we can also control the different clients as well. So we could say something like, well, this browser here is in the computer lab. That's what the room correlation is there. So we could try something like, Alexa, ask home theater to show the movie Iron Man in the computer lab.
I didn't get the room you wish to view that.
Whoops.
Which room did you want?
Computer lab. Here we go. And
Absolutely, Benjamin. Iron Man,
over here.
rated PG-13. Showing in the computer lab.
So from here we could use the screen devices to start casting to the computer lab. If I was to press play right now here, it's going to start playing over here.